Hello class 8th student, it's a part 21 exercise F. Here we discuss the long question answers or answer the following in detail. So first question is describe the menstruation cycle. So in detail you have to give the description of menstruation cycle. From the beginning of puberty, one ovum is released every 28 days. During this period, the uterus prepares itself to receive that egg. The inner lining of the uterus becomes thick and spongy and develop a lot of blood vessels. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed from the body. That is known as the menstruation. This menstruation flow lasts for about 4 to 6 days and this menstruation occurs once in about 20 to 30 days. This entire set of events, which includes the production and release of the unfertilized egg by the ovaries along with menstruation flow, is called the menstruation cycle. This all part you have to give in this answer. This next question, how does eating a balanced diet help an adolescent? Means by the taking balanced diet, how the adolescent improve their health. In part 14 we also discussed the food habits. This is the answer of this question, that an adolescent has increased nutrient needs and must eat a balanced diet to remain fit and stay healthy. Both overeating and undereating can affect the health. That's why they have to take on the balanced diet. First, the food including carbohydrate and protein that are essential for growth must be consumed. Grains, vegetables and fruits are rich source of vitamin and minerals. Calcium helps to build bones. Iron helps in the formation of blood and vitamin C boosts immunity. The next one, milk is a complete food and must be consumed every day. It is rich in calcium, phosphorus and fat. And the next one, eating regular meal is important. Need not to skip any meal. Eating packed, canned or junk food that have very less nutritional value must be avoided. Means you have to avoid it, the junk food or the packed or canned food. Since girls start menstruation at this age, they must consume food rich in iron, calcium and zinc. So in this way, the proper food habits help the adolescent to keep their health fit, to keep healthy, to stay healthy. The next question is, why should adolescents say no to tobacco, drug and alcohol, drugs and tobacco? What are the effects of consuming them? Means why adolescents not taken to the addicted things and what are the effect of them on their health. So the drug abuse is a very common problem among the adolescent. It refers to excessive use of certain drugs and substances like pan, tobacco, alcohol, painkiller and mind-altering chemicals. Means mind-changing chemicals. The harmful effects are tobacco reduce lung capacity, cause wheezing and can cause lung cancer. It strains the heart and reduce lifespan. Here we are reading the harmful effect of the tobacco, alcohol and drugs. So the next effect is that alcohol affect all the body organ including the brain. It slow down brain activity, muscles coordination, reflexes and speech. Too much of alcohol can even reduce breathing or heart rate also. The third is that taking drugs can be dangerous. It can create hallucination. I have told you in the video part that imaging, surrounding and feeling sensation that are unreal. Means the things which are not real, the person feeling sensation towards them after taking the drugs. It makes the person addictive. and it also make the users impulsive and they may find it difficult to maintain emotional stability. So here these are the harmful effect of taking drug, alcohol and the tobacco. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.